Hello everyone and welcome to Apex AI. In this quick video I'm going to show you around the software and how to get started with it. So the first thing is this is what you're going to see after you log in and creating your account obviously. So the first thing you can do is click here to claim your bonus right here by sending a message on Messenger. So you can do that now or later if you want. Anyway, this is the stats about your account, how many campaigns you created, how many articles you generated, how many visits you got, and your website if it's ready or not. Okay, so this is obviously a new account, so I have nothing in it. So what we are trying to do is to generate articles with AI that are proven to rank in Google for any keyword we want. So let's start that by going to the campaign, and what we can is create our first project. And for the keyword, let's try for example weight loss, and here you can enter your link, which is obviously going to be whatever link you want to promote. It can be your affiliate link, your e-commerce store, your Amazon affiliate, whatever it is. Okay, then you can enter a niche which will help the AI to target or write a better article for you. So our keyword is actually, can be our niche, weight loss, and our keyword is how to get 6 packs fast. This can be our keyword. Click here to generate the article, and as you can see, the article right here is generated for us in less than 2 seconds. Okay, and right now I can download it and you can upload it to wherever you want. You can copy and paste it in LinkedIn, on your own website, on Reddit, whatever it is you wanna post it in, and still it's gonna rank for you because the power is of the article. Okay, so this article is highly optimized with AI to rank in Google, so no matter where you post it, it will rank in Google. Okay, or you can click here to publish it to your website, and as you can see right now, it tells me that the article is live and working and it's published to my website. Okay, so I can go here to the stats and see the stats. Obviously I don't have anything yet because I just created my first article, so I don't have any views yet. And I can go to my website right here. Okay, this is the website, this is the URL, you can access it right here, and this is the link that will be this link that will be ranked in Google. And you can click here to see your own website. You can change the color of it. Okay, so you can optimize it if you want. You can change the name of the website, you can change the color, the name, and obviously I suggest that you do that. So because my website is not a very good name, so maybe we call it Fitness Tips 225. The name we can call it Fitness Tips. Okay, for the colors, I think, yeah, that, I don't know, you can choose whatever you like. Okay, I can save, and that's it. Just like that, we created an article and we posted it on our website hosted by Apex AI, and it will rank for our keyword. No matter what keyword you choose, no matter what niche, no matter the competition, you will start gaining traffic and traction right here. And yeah, that's how easy it is to get started with Apex AI. If you have any question, just make sure to reach out to us and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching.